Hello Virgos! Welcome to my channel UVG. Mga ka-UVG, kamusta kayo dyan? Sana po ay okay lang kayo. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang ganap sa'yo, Virgo. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Para po sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, tingnan natin. Anong ganap kay Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising in Venus sign. Sana po ay naririnig nyo na ako. Ano pong ganap kay Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising in Venus sign. Eight of Swords. The Strength card. Six of Pentacles. So, Virgo, hindi ko alam kung sinong stuck dito. Eight of Swords. Mentally, emotionally, physically stuck. Imprisonment. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung anong clarification yan. Strength card. Alam mo naman siguro, Strength card, di ba? Okay. Six of Pentacles is my generosity card. Giving card. Okay, so let's see. Bottom of the deck. Three of Pentacles. Virgo, may gustong makipag-team up sa'yo dito. Or may gustong makipag-partnership sa'yo. So, titingnan natin kung ano ang clarification ng Eight of Swords. Clarify the Eight of Swords for my Virgos, please. Three of Pentacles again. The Sun card. The King of Cups and the King of Wands and the Queen of Cups. So, Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito, may two person na gustong makipag-partnership sa'yo. Okay. Nakikita ka nito as positive. Isa to sa mga, kung sino man to para sa'yo, Virgo. Queen of Cups at saka King of Wands. There is two energy here na gustong makipag-partnership sa'yo. Okay. But in some point, itong dalawang taong to nakikita ka nito as stuck. Hindi ko alam kung may tutulong sa'yo dito. Hindi ko alam, Virgo, kung meron kang makikilalang couple. Okay. And this couple, itong dalawang couple na to, hindi nila alam kung nakikita ka nilang stuck on something. Okay. Or maybe, ikaw, at saka ng partner mo, meron ka, basta tulungan, or makipag-partnership sa'yo. Basta meron ditong tulungan ting. Meron ditong gustong may tumulong kasi nakikita nila the another person is stuck on something. Okay, stuck or trap or what. Basta may dalawang person dito na gustong, ang feminine energy dito is very carrying. Another person is go-getter and very passionate on helping. What is this King of Wands? Ten of Pentacles. Definitely. Merong couple kang makikilala dito, Virgo. O, nakilala mo na. But this two person here, tutulungan ka nito, Virgo. Or maybe ikaw ang couple, meron kayong gustong tulungan. Okay. Kasi tong person na to, kung sino man tong person na stuck dito. Okay. Kung sino man tong tutulong sa'yo, mag-couple yan. Okay, and the Sun card, bibigyan ka nito ng liwanag or papagaanin ang sitwasyon mo, or maybe ikaw, meron ka ng partner or meron kayong gustong tulungan, basta itong part na tutulungan. Okay. Makipag-partnership sa'yo, makipag-teammate sa'yo, okay. Makipag-collaborate sa'yo. Kasi meron ditong couple na meron silang nakikita na stuck in some point. Or ikaw, meron kang maaring kapatid mo or family mo or basta two person tapos gustong tulungan yung another person kung sino yung stuck. Okay. So, yes, yun ang nakikita ko sa first row. Virgo, bahala ka kung saan ka makaka-resonate dyan. Clarify the Strength card. Shadow side, tapos Ace of Wands. Okay. Ace of Swords. Wow, new idea, Virgo. New beginning, Virgo. Knight of Cups. So, Virgo, merong offer dito sa'yo. Okay, with the Strength card, maybe nagda-doubt ka or someone is doubting sa kakayanan. Okay. Regarding sa kakayanan. Okay. May nagda-doubt dito sa kakayanan niyang magsimula mag-isa, okay, or magsimula ng something dito, very scary. Pero, basta parang duda siya sa kakayanan niya. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw to, Virgo, or someone around you. As I said, wala po tayong gender sa energy, at saka either way, vice versa. At saka, maaring tao sa environment mo or taong connected sa'yo or ikaw to. Okay. Basta meron ditong nag-aalangan sa kakayanan niyang magsimula. Okay. New idea to, Virgo. New idea. Clarify the Knight of Cups. Meron ditong positive. Magugustuhan mo to, Virgo. Your emotion will, parang, your emotion will run high. Parang yung feeling excited ka dito. Okay. Feeling excited ka at the same time natatakot ka rin. Kasi merong shadow side dito. Nagda-doubt talaga sa kakayanan ng magsimula ng new beginning dito. Okay. Merong good news dito regarding sa new beginning, new idea, Virgo, with the Ace of Swords and the clarity. Maaaring makakatanggap ka ng clarity dito sa situation mo or sa magiging situation mo. Okay. There is a positive page of wands, is a message, positive news. At saka yung emotion mo dito para bagang mai-inlove ka sa sarili mo kind of thing. And at the same time, magda-doubt ka rin sa kakayanan mo. Yun ang nakikita ko dito with the Strength card, Virgo. You know better. Okay, basta meron kang clarity na coming in, truthful, and ideas. New ideas. May new beginning ka dito. Okay. And at the same time, yung emotion mo is para bagang you will take care of yourself more. Okay. Time to go to the spa, time to go to the salon. Ewan ko, Virgo, wala po tayong gender. Lalaki ka man nanonood nito, baka barbershop or magpamassage or something. There is a good news coming in here about the idea, about the clarity, about the new beginning of the situation, pero merong doubtful sa kakayanan. Okay. Yun nakikita ko second row, Virgo. Six of Pentacles. Clarify. My God, the Lover's card. Merong taker dito. Merong taker, merong giver. Merong stuck dito or delay. Three of Wands. May nag-iintay dito, Virgo. Or ikaw ang may iniintay. Okay. So, with the Lovers card is being here. The Lovers is decision making for me. Okay. Sometimes can represent divine connection din. But definitely decision making. Okay. There is someone here na stuck on something here, relationship-wise. Hindi rin makapag-decide. Either to move forward or to stay. Okay. Laban o bawi. Surrender o laban. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. May waiting dito eh. Merong isang tao na nag-iintay. As you can see, meron ditong nagbebeg. Maybe the another person, baka yung isang tao dito is nagbibigay ng attention or nagbibigay ng nasa iba yung attention. Hindi ko naman sinabing person, baka trabaho or situation na importante. Okay, and another person is waiting here. The Hangman is a delay at saka stuck din at the same time. Hindi rin makapag-move forward kasi stuck dito, stuck on something. Sa nakikita mo may crowd dyan, tsaka may pentacles. Baka naglalak ng finances. Tsaka dito merong waiting. Virgo. Waiting on something. Three of Wands. Isang Wands na lang, mission accomplished na. Four of Wands is a celebration. Four of Wands is moving in together. Four of Wands is all about home, family. Okay. Three of Wands, merong nag-aantay dito. May nag-aantay dito ng something. Habang naghahantay dito, Four of Swords, For me, maybe health issue na naghihintay na mag-heal. Okay. Sometimes, ang Four of Wands is contemplation, nag-iisip. Okay. Kino-contemplate ang sitwasyon, dinidecipher ang sitwasyon. Should I move on? Should I not? Should I wait? Should I fix? Should I not fix? Bending reality. Okay. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. With the Three of Pentacles, as I said dito sa first row, meron kang makikilalang mag-asawa. Okay. Or maybe ikaw or someone, meron kayong nakikita ang gusto nyong tulungan. Okay, Virgo. Yun ang nakikita ko dito sa first row. May gustong makipag-team up dito, very heavy. Basta tulungan, dito yung thing. Okay, merong couple dito or maybe magkapatid or magpinsan, it doesn't matter. But kung sino man to, connected silang dalawa in a deeper level. Baka pinsan, kamag-anak or something, and then magbibigay ng liwanag to doon sa person na stuck. Okay, so yun ang nakikita ko dito. Maybe sa environment mo, Virgo, energy ng environment mo to, or maybe ikaw to, gusto mong tumulong, may gusto kang tulungan, or maybe ikaw ang tutulungan. Yun ang nakikita ko dito sa first row, okay? Second row, meron ditong nagda-doubt ng strength niya, nagda-doubt ng kakayanan niya magsimula, okay? Pero excited na bagang takot itong second row. Third row, merong stuck dito, merong delay, may nag-aantay dito on something. Ayusin ba or let go and let God? Bottom of the deck, Eight of Swords pa rin. Merong ang stuck dito. Hindi ko alam kung sinong stuck dito. Merong stuck, merong delay, mentally, physically, emotionally, financially. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Tingnan natin kung anong advice. Yan ang kaganapan, Virgo. So, maaring naganap na, kasalukuyang nagaganap, or magaganap pa lang. Okay. So, tignan natin kung anong advice. Advice for my Virgo, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Sa mga Virgo po na hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay. Saan ba to? Dito yun. What is the advice for my Virgo, please? Advice. Expect some powerful change. Definitely Virgo. Kaya siguro may natatakot dito or nag-iisip or nagdadalawang isip sa kakayanan niya kasi parang scary nga naman to. Pero excited na nakakatakot. Oh my God. What else? What is the advice? Surrender to the divine, Virgo. Kung ano man yung nagda-doubt ka, i-surrender mo na lang. Surrender to the divine. Anto, the energy is gaining momentum. Yun ang sinasabi ko dito, Virgo. Sa Knight of Cups to the page, sa good news na to. Okay, sa clarity na matatanggap mo. Okay, yung energy mo dito is like running high. Yun ang nakikita ko. The end of a tough cycle approaches. So, kung ano man ang mga paghihirap mo, Virgo, na feeling mo stuck ka or feeling mo on something, it will end. Okay, so new beginning is coming. It's already on the air. So, Virgo, tingnan natin kung anong angel message number mo. Angel message number for my Virgo, please. Bahala ka kung saan ka lalapag dyan, Virgo. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Tagal naman. Meron kang 6, 610. 6106 Virgo. 6106, angel message number. I-google mo, Virgo. Meron kang message dyan na makaka-relate sa situation mo. So, yeah. Virgo, that's what I have for you. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.